So Black History Month is upon us, and honestly, I don't know anybody that has a bigger Black History Month collection than I do. If you know somebody, please make sure you tag them so I can connect with them. But I've yet to find somebody that has as many pairs as I do. So I decided that I would give y'all an inside look, up close personal look to my entire Black History Month collection. Hopefully I can get it all in one video because it's a couple, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. It's a lot. So we're going to start actually with the first pair that I ever got that started my whole Black History Month collection, like venture and journey. So I had to get my stepladder for thugs, but this is the first pair. I miss when we would actually get packs, you know. But this is the first pair I ever got. This is that Jordan 1 High from the 2016 pack. This is the one that started it all. It kind of got the ball rolling. And from there, it's just been every one I can find, I'm getting. I'm going to stay with the Jordan 1 train here. I'll just go through all of my Jordan 1s. Here's the black and gold pair. The other one, these are Velcro, so this comes off. I have the black one on the other side. Really, really dope. I had to get my other two. So we got another high here. As you can see, another one. Got your Black History Month on that tongue. So another dope pair. And then I have the mid pair. Really, really dope. Got your Black History Month there. The details on these are always really crazy. That's why I love them so much, right? Stay with the Jordan family. And now we're going to move to the 2. So this is the Jordan 2 Black History Month. Again, details are crazy on these. Love them. All right, let's move out of the Jordan section. Unfortunately, I can't get the 3s and a couple other ones that dropped because they did not make my size. So 9 times out of 10, if I don't have it, it's because it didn't come in my size. But let's move to the dunks. The dunks, I love too. We'll start with these 2 dunks just because they're readily accessible. We've got these. Like I said, the details are always it for me, right? Love it. And then we got these. Love the colors on these. And the insoles always have something going on with them too. But again, details is crazy. This one came with a little baggie. Another one. This is that black and white. So this one goes with that Jordan 1 that I showed y'all. This is from that pack. BHM there. Details. Details. This is an unofficial Black History Month pair. It originally was supposed to be another Black History Month dunk, and then they just kind of made it a regular release. But this is that dunk that pays homage to the Black Cowboy. Details and quality, crazy. Another unofficial Black History Month dunk will be the Jackie Robinson dunk. Details, crazy, quality. Like I said, unofficial, but obviously this is Black History. We're getting to the Air Forces, so we're moving to our Air Forces. These are so cool because it's like a mirror. These came with a Sharpie too, so you can like have fun with these. A lot of people are like, they're so weird. I love them. I think they're so cool. I like the colors. And we've got the high. Love the strap on these. Oh, it's got the quality. Got your BHM on the back. Love these, right? Now, these were so hard to hunt down in my size. They did make my size. It was just hard to find. I think I ended up getting these from overseas. But the details on these is crazy, crazy, crazy. Like, this is crazy. These 2, I had to get my stepladder for thugs, are not, like, officially Black History Month pairs, but these are the quality Air Forces. This is the black pair. And then I also have the white pair. The laces on these is crazy. Love it. And you got your quality all around there. So they're like unofficial kind of Black History Month sneakers. Move to Air Maxes. So here are a couple pair of the Air Max 1s. We got this one, which love these. Black History Month. The insole is crazy. Quality on these is always chef's kiss. And then we got the metallic joints. Again, details crazy. Love that hint of that blue on there. Got your BHM there. Got another Air Max 1. It's the black and white pair. Really, really dope. Love the pattern. Got your BHM here. We're going to drop it down low for this 95. This is from the same pack with that Air Force with the mirror on the toe box. As you can see, the colors. And that's the thing I love about the packs. The colors always used to kind of go together. Little box Jenga. Y'all check the skills. Check the skills. This is years at work at Foot Locker Inc. But anyway, the 98's one of my favorites. The details on these are crazy. And the colors, love these. I love 98s. I feel like 98s are slept on. But we're going to move to blazers now. This is actually an unofficial Black History Month pair, but it is Black History. This is the Negro League cross blazer, so dope. The details, fire. And then we're gonna get into the official Black History Month blazer. As you can see, you got that BHM on there. Quality is crazy. The laces, the details. I'm gonna get into some Pumas. These are the Make History Happen Now collection. Details, crazy. I also have the low, the black 5s. Quality, crazy details. I'll stick with the Pumas. Got a couple 2-3 Pumas. Box, crazy. This is so dope. Love the laces on these. Got them with the fist. Quality, details, crazy. And we got the Ralph Sampson mid. Details on these are crazy as well. The laces. I even have a Roshi. Yes, they made a Black History Month Roshi. Really love the designs. As you can see, some of these have that very similar colorway or pattern. They're usually a pack. I wish they would get back to making packs. I even got an Under Armour pair. Yes, Under Armour also did a release. They had some release, and I did pick these up. All right, now we're gonna get into the Converse. These are so crazy. There's a couple Converse that I still don't have that I need, but this is one of the pairs. Love it. Got that BHM on the tongue. Details. Got another Chuck. Love the patchwork on these. It's really cute. Got your BHM on the tongue as well. So I have the high and low denim tier. Those are kind of like unofficial Black History Month. I kind of put them in that same bubble, but I do have the high and the low pair over there too. Now let's get into my basketball section. We'll start with some of the LeBrons. Like this is the 15. Crazy details. Got your BHM there. These are so comfortable. I think 15s are comfortable. Another LeBron. Got your BHM on the inside on this one. Got the 11. This was like that pack where it's like that royalty pack. Got your BHM there. A couple of LeBrons that I don't have, so we'll move to the KDs. Got your BHM on the back. At the 7, which I'm sorry, this is one of the most uncomfortable pairs of KDs I have. I do apologize, but you got your BHM there. I love the strap. They just not comfortable. And the 6, which this one matches that LeBron 11. This is from that same package. You can see that colorway is the same. Got your BHM there. Now the Kyries, I'm slacking on those. There's a couple more of the KDs I need to pick up, but I am definitely slacking on the Kyries. I only have the 4s with the equality ones, but these, to me, sorry, this is the best pair. These are so dope. I hope y'all enjoyed my little tour of my Black History Month collection. I probably might have missed a couple unofficial pairs. And there's still some pairs that I'm still on the hunt for, but it is ever growing. I'm always searching. Y'all stay tuned throughout the month of February to see which ones I pull and how I style them.